Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your very own brand voice in Jasper AI. You can check over to the Jasper IQ to the left and then click brand voice. Click onto the button and then you'll find yourself in the brand voice section. And now you're gonna go under a process of filling up the descriptions needed to give you some personality to your voice. Give it whatever name you want it to be. I'm just going to add something random. And since I'm the only one in this workspace, I'm setting it to private. Once you're done with that, you'll find yourself on a drop-down box that says what the brand voice is best used for. For this one, I'm going to create a new one under video editing. Now comes the next part, giving examples of content in the brand voice. Basically what you put into it, either the text, a document file, or URL, it would use that as a reference for the brand voice. To make it transparent, I'm going to use just text. This is the text that I prepared for it. Once you're satisfied with it, click Add Text. And when you've reached over the 1000 character limit, you can start to generate your own brand voice. You'll be congratulated immediately after the brand voice has been drafted, and it'll drop you into the brand voice section. And there we go. We made our very own brand voice. And that's how to make a brand voice in Jasper AI.